Those that we must carry sleeves.
I'm still exploring Georgia. This time I'm in Sighnaghi. It's smallest town in Georgia in easternmost region of Caucasus. Located on a steep hill, Sighnaghi overlooks Alazani Valley with Caucasus mountains visible at the distance. Known as the city of love with many couples visiting it just to get married. After check-in, so now I'm ready to explore Sighnaghi. See you.
Yes, we do.
Nice view from here. I think this is the park maybe. And this is the Sighnaghi city wall. This area is very famous with the handicraft and things. That is really nice. Oh, it's really good. Let's take a look on that church. There are so many nice restaurants in here, offering the view, I think. In here, they sell like oil, chacha, Georgian alcohol, cognac, also Georgian alcohol, I think. Also honey. These are spice. So there are three main towers. So this is the first tower, and that one over there is second, and then third tower. So I'm going to reach both of them. Each tower has 3 stairs. The base is from wood. You need to be careful also. As the stair is as narrow as this. See that? So this is the base from wood. Now there is a light from outside. But the second stairs, it's pretty dark. There is no light from outside. So need to be careful when you're going up and also going down. So it's quite dark. Walking to the second tower. So actually there are 4 towers. There was 1, 2, 3, 4. This place is really different to the places that I already visited in Georgia. Really need to be careful because the path is really narrow and like this. See, there is no connecting between this and that. So this is the third tower. Let's climb up. And that is the last tower. The last door. And I'm having dinner in this nice restaurant. It's yummy Georgian food king kali with carcho. This restaurant is really cheap and delicious. Morning from Sighnaghi. This place is really nice. Last night I slept very well because it's really quiet. There is no sound of things, only sound of insects. Today we're going to keep exploring. I'm going to go to the Bodbe convent. From there, it's gonna be very beautiful view, and it's about 3 kilometers away from the guest house that I stay. There's a sign, Bodbe also there, same direction. So this is the place, Bodbe convent. This is the best monastery that I have visited in Georgia, and there are so many pilgrims in here. To the holy spring, so it should be this way. There is danger landslide. Be careful. It's going down. Don't know how long it will take to the holy spring. It's like trekking in the forest. It might be the place. Spring. I think this one. So let's taste the holy spring. It's only 910 meters from the monastery to the holy springs. Trekking to get to the holy spring is going down, but now I'm going back to the monastery and it will be going up. After almost 2 kilometers trekking, I just want to relax and enjoying the view of the Caucasus mountains. I love this place because this place is really nice with a beautiful view. It's amazing view, like trees, flowers, and butterflies. There is Caucasus mountain. Again, I go to host of Sighnaghi restaurant to have carcho, khinkali, and wine. I just had dinner to the same restaurant as yesterday because it's tasty and cheap and delicious.